before Jessica was studying, 10th or 12th or something like that. Going to Salmia is once in a blue moon, maybe once in a year or twice a year. And after Jessica started studying there,
You should have.
yeah, we used to go, me and Vinci, drop her like this and all. Then I came to know about that. And I feel I would not have come to Dubai, if Jessica is not here.
How much it's changed.
Yes. It's what? We are talking about, 7 years. I came, first time, in the year 2000 or 2001. Whereas, you were here in, what, 97, 99. Yes, my mama died. We came for admission here. We came for admission. My mother died, and I went from there. That's somewhere, in October.